Alright, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Trey TG coming at y'all again with another video. Have another shoe review for you guys today, and it is the Anthony Edwards One Low in the white and black and red, somewhat red colorway. It's kind of like an infrared. Got these bad boys. These came out. I saw them when they came out. I was like, I gotta have them. I've been like, there's something about the AEs, like the lows and the mids. Like, I just love the design of them and everything, and they are pretty comfy on feet. I do need to try these on though, because they was ordered online and whatnot. But I just love this technology that they got going on over there at Adidas. It's like basically Yeezys, but for basketball shoes, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause you can't ball in no 350s. You can, but you probably you ain't getting those serious hoop sessions in with no 350 boosts or 750s or 380s or whatever. But I feel like Dame, AE, Harden, like they got some of the dopest like Adidas basketball sneakers going on right now. I love how AE has his logo pops out in the back. So they got those Stormtrooper ones too, and I think it's like a lime green in the back, and then this white and black. And then they have the clay, Georgia red clay, like all those, like they is super fire. Like I definitely want those pair. And then it's another pair that looks like it's like peach here. It's like an apricot kind of colorway. I definitely want those too at some point. But yeah, man, another Valentine's Day gift from the wifey. So you know she always again looking out for your boy. And luckily AEs, they priced, I think the mids are like 120 and then the lows are 110. So you're not getting hit over the head getting these as well, and you're getting a super clean shoe on top of that. So without further ado, I think it's time for a shoe review. You know what? I messed that up. I meant to say without further ado, it's time to put on the shoe. Or without further ado, it's time for our own feet. I wasn't even trying to like make it catchy or rhyme or nothing like that. I don't know. Anyway, scratch it. Let's do it. Hey man, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm super impressed, and I love the way that these things feel and the way that they look on feet. Like, gotta be a 10 out of 10. First of all, it's my favorite colorways is white, black, and red. It's like a theme. Most of all the Jordans are like that. like it's crazy. Like I like some of the other crazier colors also, but it's something about the white, black, and red. I want to throw those red laces in there too. I think I'll do like a separate video aside from that, like a short or something, or I'm showing like the opposite laces. I honestly ain't have the energy to change it. But yeah, I'll definitely do that to see it, because I'm eager to see how it looks, especially with the logo on the back. But yeah, shout out to AE, man. Like, because I did want to say, I forgot to say this in the beginning, but he is one of the better players in the league today. Young buck, I think this is his second year. He killed last year. This may be his third year. I don't know. Y'all correct me if I'm right or wrong. But either way, the boy can hoop. He got like all those tangibles to be one of the greats heading through. So like, the league is in good hands with him. I feel like, even though it's different from back when, you know, we had Kobe, T-Mac, younger Bron, and like all those guys, but they can't play forever, man. So yeah, maybe I can't even call myself a hooper because the only hooping that I've done was only recreational, and that was with the boys, cutting class to go hoop. And that was it. That was all. But just playing pickup every day. But I don't know. If I was hooping on a consistent basis, especially on a court, like, these is probably one of the shoes I would go for. I think LaMelo, he has a good shoe as well. I don't know about D-Books. I don't really like how they look like that. And John Morant's, I think his is pretty, they was pretty straight. But AE and them boys, like, they killing it. Like, this design for me, like, is everything. And the price point is there too. So I don't know. Let me you guys let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Do y'all like the AEs? Do y'all like the mids versus the lows? Or do y'all which colorway y'all like the most? Like, whatever, just let me know in the comments. I'm happy with this one. I have the ruby red mids as well that I did a review on that I gotta edit and post for you guys to see. But with that being said, y'all, that's pretty much it for this vid. I hope y'all guys liked it. Let me know what y'all think about the shoe down in the comments below. But hit that like button, subscribe button, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more. It's your boy Trey TG, and I'm out. Peace.